Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please okay, thank you.
I've got 99 problems, but AC ain't one. Putting the side skirts back so the courtesy vehicle can look a little bit more presentable. Some real carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber wing that really needs some refurbishment. Yep, 325. Misplaced badge, but we can't do anything about that, not ours. Yeah, so see, the clip is supposed to clip, isn't it? But some of them clip,
some of them don't.
some of them don't. So I bought some. It was tied. I even have the but only have for one side. So I don't know what kind of plan we can make. Maybe cable ties.
No, they are not that important. These
Yeah, so I bought some glue so that I can remove those clips and glue them here, and then some silicone so that it's
silicone is better.
silicone even for down there.
Yeah.
Even for here, the silicone is better. Yeah.
So it's shock resistant.
So the clips sliding.
Yeah, it's sliding.
Okay. Not what we were doing, pushing them on. That's why. So how do they come out? Well, how do they come out?
You mean
Does it open a little bit and then the thing comes out? Because if they slide in, it shouldn't come out.
Yeah,
Or the my clips break.
They break. Because it's plastic, so sometimes you can get like it comes out and doesn't break. But most of the time when it comes out, then they break. Or you see that they come out from those holes.
But they are coming out from there is very difficult.
It's very difficult.
So this one is broken.
Yeah.
So we won't use it.
No, we'll put silicone there.
Oh, and then put a clip.
No, we won't put a clip. Silicone will just go direct there.
It will hold.
Yeah, silicone is aggressive. Same way it holds the screens.
Oh, so we're going to use the clips and the silicone to...
Because if this whole thing was broken, we don't need the clips. We just put silicone direct.
Okay.
So we put even a packing tape. Just 24 hours, the silicone will be stiff and we go.
Okay, and the reason we're using silicone is because it absorbs the shock, eh?
Yeah.
It doesn't break.
Yeah. When the car is vibrating, the silicone won't come out.
Okay. Oh, so you have to put a lot. So the two side skirts are ready to be put on the car now. These are some of the clips that are not being used because they are broken. So you can see that clip is broken. It's not gonna work. This one looks okay. Maybe he missed it. Actually no, it's also broken. Yep, also broken, not gonna work. Yeah, so the idea is the strong clips like this one, it's not shaky, we'll keep this in there, and the silicone is gonna bond to that surface and keep the side skirt on. And obviously we're gonna screw it back on here where it holds. I need to keep the side skirt back on the car. Yeah, so this is what we're up to. So the side skirts are on now. As you can see, the silicone will cure and they will hold on. Yeah, some excess silicone that is being cleaned off to stop it from drying completely. This side too, you can see this one is a little bit outwards, but once we put the screws in, it will hold and be straight. So yeah, there we go. His name is Mbili. I'll put his details in the description below if you need help on your body panels, and his phone number. Yeah, so it's a little bit presentable now. The side skirts are on the car now. It's been more than 24 hours. I need to remove the packing tape that was used to keep the side skirts in place so that the silicone could cure correctly in the right place so that they are straight. So the tools we used are very simple. 8 socket to remove the side skirts off the car, the one that was still on the car, and then we needed to use windscreen silicone that you can get in Panganani Road. Apparently any windscreen shop, the Chinese windscreen shops, have the best silicone. It comes in a silver packet. Unfortunately I didn't get pictures of it, but if you go to GTC windscreens, you'll be able to find the windscreen silicone. I want to say thank you to the guys in the group, Downshift, who helped me look for the right parts. I didn't get to use the glue because the silicone was enough for where the clips were not available. I want to thank Mbili also. I will put his details in the description below in case you need help. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and keep watching for more car stuff things. Thank you for watching.